Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Veloce versus the Porsche Macan. Let's dive into their performance. The Stelvio Veloce comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing a robust 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet of torque. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.4 seconds. The base Porsche Macan, with its 2.0-liter Turbo 4, offers 261 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. For more power, the Macan S features a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 375 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 in just 4.6 seconds. When it comes to driving dynamics, both SUVs aim to please. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio Veloce is celebrated for its agile and sporty handling, featuring direct steering and a light chassis that makes it feel more like a sports car. Its Q4 all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip. The Porsche Macan sets a benchmark with its athletic character, offering confidence-inspiring handling and precise steering. It also comes standard with all-wheel drive, providing exceptional stability and control, especially with its available adaptive suspension. Inside, the Stelvio Veloce offers a driver-focused cabin with sport leather seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Its infotainment system uses an 8.8-inch touchscreen. The Macan provides a premium interior with a 10.9-inch touchscreen, standard heated front seats, and various leather options. While both are compact SUVs, the Stelvio offers around 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats up, comparable to the Macan's 17.6 cubic feet. Ultimately, choosing between the Stelvio Veloce and Macan depends on your priorities. The Stelvio Veloce, starting around $52,000, delivers passionate Italian styling and a genuinely engaging driving experience at a more accessible price point. The Porsche Macan, with a base price near $63,000, offers a more refined, benchmark-setting performance and a highly customizable interior. Both are excellent choices, but the Macan provides more potent engine options in its higher trims. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.